Hello! Today we're going to be talking about the Klotski puzzle. Now, this specific specimen comes from the former Soviet Union, specifically Ukraine, and I recently purchased it off of eBay. As you can see, there's a donkey on the cover and the general outline of the sliding block puzzle within. So let's take a quick look at it. First impressions, this is definitely a small puzzle, much smaller than I expected. And it actually takes its idea originally from Sam Lloyd's 15 puzzle, which is a similar size. This is a bit more complex. So let's just open this up. Alright, so here is the puzzle itself. It's quite primitive, but what do you expect from a communist state? I mean, plastic was pretty hard to come by. It comes with these awesome Cyrillic instructions with some solution that I'll look into in the future. But for now, let's take a look at the puzzle. So as you can see, we have these numbered blocks, 1 through 10, and we have the central donkey here, and the aim is to get the donkey out through this area. Normally there's actually a gap here, but I guess it's just too expensive to produce. You can't actually slide out any pieces except for the donkey though, so you can't just trivially take out all the other pieces and then just solve it. It's really, really difficult. As you can see, the puzzle can get quite complex and interesting very quickly. All sorts of really intriguing movements that are possible. It's called the Klotski puzzle because of a specific Windows program with all sorts of these really wonderful, complex versions of it, but it's actually, strangely, a worldwide phenomenon with different versions ranging from Japan to France, which is absolutely incredible. To name but a few of these incredible variants, there's La En Rouge from France, there's Daughter in the Box from Japan, as mentioned before, there's Haorong Dao, which is the Chinese variation, and it's based off of a epic from their literature, the famous Romance of the Three Kingdoms. And then there's one of my favorites, Kun Chang Kum Phaen, which is a version from Thailand which implements their literature. So all the blocks are different characters, and the central block is the main character, etc. Really intriguing. You can really adapt this puzzle to any theme that you want. Without further ado, I'm going to get into the solution of the puzzle, but if you want to enjoy the puzzle for yourself, which I highly recommend you do, now would be the time to stop watching. The puzzle is solved after 61 moves.